What hey there tech enthusiasts. Today I'm here to talk about the Drober extension wand for Dyson V7 V8 V10 V11 V15 stick vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of struggling to reach those high ceilings, windows, or under the bed, then this extension wand is the perfect solution for you. This high-quality wand is made of premium aluminum alloy and ABS material, ensuring that it works just as well as the original wand. Plus, it's super easy to connect and disconnect from your Dyson vacuum with the quick release button, making it a convenient and hassle-free addition to your cleaning routine. The best part? This extension wand is compatible with a wide range of Dyson models, including V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15 series cordless vacuum cleaners, so you can be sure it's the perfect fit for your needs. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, make sure to check out the Drober extension wand for Dyson V7 V8 V10 V11 V15 stick vacuum cleaner. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations. Happy cleaning, Quat.